When I got up this morning and I saw a new day, I said, one more blessing, Lord, that you sent my way. When I looked around and I saw everybody doing okay, I said, one more blessing, Lord, that you sent my way. Lord, you bless me over and over and all through the day. I said, one more blessing, that you sent my way. When I got up this morning and I kneeled down to pray, I said, one more blessing, Lord, that you sent my way. And then he said, whatever is right, he said, I would pay. I said, one more blessing, Lord, that you sent my way. You bless me over and over and all through the day. I said, one more blessing, Lord. You know what? Lord, you bless me with joy and peace. And then you told me you would supply my need. And when things in my life, they turn cloudy and gray, oh, you keep on sending blessing my way. When I got up this morning, I kneeled down to pray. I said, one more blessing, Lord, you send my way. You know what? My money, it got funny, but my bills, you helped me to pay. I said, one more blessing, Lord, you sent my way. You blessed me over and over again. One more. I said, one more blessing, Lord, that you sent my way. Lord, you bless me with joy and peace. And then he told me he would supply all my needs. And when things in my life, they turn cloudy and gray, Lord, you keep on sending blessing my way. When I got up this morning, I kneeled down to pray. I said, one more blessing, you sent my way. My money, it got funny, but all my bills, he helped me to pay. I said, one more blessing, you sent my way. All I know is one more blessing, one more blessing, one more blessing, one more blessing, one more blessing. When I got up, one more blessing, and I looked at myself, one more blessing, I was still able to open my mouth, one more blessing, I was still able to walk around, one more blessing. I counted one more blessing, one more blessing. But listen, Isaiah,
one more blessing.
Came to Hezekiah,
One more blessing, Lord.
and said, the Lord said, set your house in order, because this day
One more blessing.
you shall surely die.
One more.
But ain't it good when you live close to the Lord? You're able to ask what you want, and God will supply. You know what Hezekiah done? Hezekiah turned his face to the wall and said, Lord, you know me. You know I've obeyed you. God sent Isaiah back and told Isaiah, said, I'm gonna let you live on a little while longer. You know what I counted? One more. Wait a minute. There was a young man.
One more blessing.
The police broke in his home.
One more blessing.
Over in the night,
One more blessing.
and the young man had to defend himself.
One more blessing.
And the police died. Y'all don't hear
One
me.
more blessing.
And they tried to frame the young man.
One more
They told him that we're gonna give you life.
One more blessing.
You can't tell me that God won't send blessing when you need it.
One more blessing.
God sent a young man by
One more blessing.
and said, I tell you, I'm gonna get my own lawyer.
One more blessing.
Lawyer cost about $75,000, and don't nobody throw out no money like that unless God sent a blessing.
One more.
I'm here to tell you, just about 3 days ago, they had to let the young man go free. I'm just about to tell you that God got one more blessing, one more.